Hi, my name is Dr. Mark Adahar. I am one of the bioidentical hormone optimization specialists here at XSculpt, and I want to say thank you for your interest in our program. I wanted to make this video as kind of an introduction to what we do here before you come in and talk to one of our docs. I'm assuming the reason why you got interested in hormone replacement therapy, likely testosterone replacement, is because you are feeling some of the symptoms of low testosterone. Probably did some Google research or talked to your friends or was referred by one of our already clients, and it kind of turned you on to us, which again, thank you for. Some of the symptoms of low testosterone you may be experiencing is feelings of fatigue, poor sleep, feelings of anxiety or depression, maybe some loss of strength, getting fatter, losing some lean mass. Those are usually some of the main symptoms that are reported to us, and we can help with that. So basically what happens, starting at the age of 25 in women, at the age of 30 in men, just naturally our hormone levels start to drop, and they say an average of about 1 to 3% a year. However, depending upon your genetics and some other factors like stress and diet and stuff like that, it can be as high as 10% a year, but the quoted average is 1 to 3% a year. So starting at those ages, again, 25 in women, 30 in men, your hormone levels start to drop, specifically your testosterone, your human growth hormone, and sometimes often your thyroid levels. And as a result, your body undergoes changes: weight gain, loss of lean muscle mass, or if you already exercise, you'll notice that you hit plateaus that you can't break, especially with lifting weights. Your recovery is a lot longer. Some mental symptoms that start to happen is that your sleep starts to suffer. You're waking up frequently during the night, or you just can't get a good rest despite sleeping 8 hours. Feelings of anxiety, depression start to set in. What else occurs? Feelings of past your peak, no motivation. Those are some of the mental problems that can occur. And then with prolonged deficits, you get medical problems such as osteoporosis, increased risk of heart attacks, diabetes from the insulin resistance, and dementia. So by optimizing your hormones, we can prevent the medical diseases, reverse a lot of those mental problems, and get your body back to where it was at a much younger age. So it all starts out with a blood test. If you had your blood drawn already, that's great. If not, come on in and get your blood tested. After you get your blood test, what we do is we send a full health assessment. We look at your kidneys, your livers, your blood sugar, your electrolytes. We also look at your hormone levels. Specifically, we look at your testosterone levels, your human growth hormone levels. We check your thyroid out, make sure that's okay, and we check a lot of your vitamins, which are essential to helping keep your metabolism and your testosterone functioning at great levels. It takes about 5 to 7 business days for those labs to come back. Once we get those back, we either send you an email with a bunch of information, with a lot of links, a lot of attachments for you to go over, or we give you a call. You take in all the information, the loads of information we give you, you take that all in, you think about the treatment options we present to you, and then at that point you decide to proceed or think about it and come back later, discuss it with your doctor, get a second opinion, whatever you want. There's no obligation after the blood test for you to continue treatment with us, but at the very least you get educated about what's going on with your body. If you decide you want to proceed with treatment for us, you call our office, you send us an email, and you come on in and we start treatment, whatever that may be, either by testosterone replacement therapy, human growth hormone replacement therapy, thyroid prescriptions. We will go over all of that. And and then I'll go over in some other future videos specifically what those treatments involve. I just wanted this to be an introduction of what we do. So again, thank you for making the time to consider us, for helping you out with your problems. If you have any questions, you can send me or one of our XSculpt docs in the email I'll put in the description below. And I really hope to see you soon. All right, have a wonderful day.